Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and today is a bittersweet day. So my dream car, the Viper, had it for just over 2 years now. Sitting behind me now. Well, the truck is in the driveway to pick it up. So that's right. The Viper will no longer be on the channel. It's going to a good home down in Iowa. I'll be sure to put the Instagram of the new owner so you can check out his page and see what he's going to be doing to it if you want to follow the Viper any further. Anyway, it's time to load up the car, and we'll talk to you guys in a bit. See if we can get one last shot of it through the trees there. Well, guys, that's it. The Viper's gone. Yes, it's really gone. No clickbait or anything. I actually sold the Viper today. Went to its new owner down in Iowa. So if you're in the Des Moines area, you may see that Viper running around. But yeah, it's a bit of a bittersweet day. Probably my biggest childhood dream car. Definitely had many others, but that was a big one for me. It was nice, and I explained in a previous video, and I'll put the link to that video right up here. But as I explained in that video, you know, I had it, I kind of checked that box. It was a lot of fun while we had it. it's not a great cruiser car, and I don't really fit in it all that well. So anyway, if you want to check out that video, I explained all the reasons why I was putting the Viper up for sale. It's gone. That's the end of another chapter in the Auto Detour story. And if you are curious of what's coming next, you'll just have to stay tuned for that. So hit that subscribe button. I'll just put it this way. Sometimes you got to let go of some things in order to grow the channel. And that's exactly what we're doing here. So subscribe if you haven't already. But now it's time to retire the Auto Detour plate for now. You know, normally I'd put it on the truck, but we got a new plate for the truck sitting right there that just arrived in the mail that I'm ultra excited about. So let's go retire the Auto Detour plate up on the license plate wall. Got others over there. And we'll hang that one front and center for now. All right, so if you're new to the channel, this is my sleeper F-150. There's a 76mm turbo under the hood, and we have nicknamed this project Grandpa Truck. So with that being said, let's open up the license plates and see what we got. All right, here we go, guys. I'm really excited about this one. Probably my best license plate yet. I asked many of you guys during one of my last videos and on Instagram to put your guesses in for what you thought it would be. So thank you for doing that. Let's see how many of you were right. Oh, yes. I still cannot believe that this plate was available and wasn't taken. It was just meant to be, I think. Oh, look, they gave me an extra one. That's weird. Yes, there it is. It's official. Gramps. Alright guys, well that's it. The Viper's gone. I feel like we just did this with the Audi too. And you know what that means. It means it's time for another project or another car on the channel. So leave a comment down below what you guys want to see. It's a little sad to see it go, but I'm a little happy to be able to free up some resources to put towards another project or another vehicle. So interested to know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Talk to you next time.